Now it's time to get set up with Robby Gilbert in his home state of Pennsylvania. The rain is pouring, but Robby's got a hen and a hard, and I mean hard, gobbling longbeard headed his way. Now I've heard tons of turkeys gobble, but just listen to how many times this turkey gobbles right at the camera. Well, there's 6 on his own and then 1 more after some soft calling from Robby. I'd say this turkey's about to meet some 5-shot. Now, Robby videotaped this hunt himself, and I guess he decided that even though the turkey walks off camera, he couldn't pass up killing a turkey that put on a show like that.
Now, boys, you want to talk about a turkey. This is a turkey. This bird is probably sporting 1.5-inch spurs. He's probably got 9.5, 10-inch beard. Good turkey to take. He was by far the dominant bird in this little woodlot here, and as you can see, this turkey's probably going to go well over 20 pounds. Good eastern wild turkey. Pioneer Quest and Outdoor Insights do it again. It just seems like wherever we're going, we're killing turkeys, and just been a lot of good guys out, and we're tearing it up this spring, and I hope you enjoy what we're doing for you guys. Good eastern. Good eastern. Good eastern.